Ma'am, sorry, ma'am.
Why you are not coming regularly? So are you okay with the
Ma'am, I
timings?
try.
It's being done. Are you okay with the timings?
Ma'am, which ma'am,
8 to 9.
ma'am, which time?
8
Today ki yes.
every day.
Sorry, ma'am.
Every day 8 to 9.
Ma'am, 8 to 9. Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, I think it is very possible for you, all of you. So there will be no problem, I think. Okay, Shika, are you there?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, are you comfortable with the timing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So I think we have to start a discussion with group discussion, I think.
Yeah, ma'am, we have to do.
Group discussion is here too. We need to do. So group discussion is about what topic we have given.
English grammar.
Yeah, about English grammar. Which topic you will be discussing with your friends and all. You will be discussing. So start your discussion. And discussion is Jyoti. You have not to just listen. You have to also interfere with them. So all of you give your point, and every one of you just ask to someone. Sometimes you ask Jyoti, sometimes you Shikha, ask Karan, like that. And whoever will be answering, that person will both other persons will be really very silent. At that time that person will be telling, and after that when that person will be starting any question to ask anyone, then that person should answer approx 1 minute, approx 1 minute, something about anything for approx 1 minute you have to talk. And after that, when your minute is your talking is over, then you have to ask a question to second person. Are you getting my point?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
your
ma'am.
topic of discussion is about English, how much you love, what are the things are there, why do you want to learn English, what are you getting from English, what are the things are needed till now to get, and how you are feeling, what are the topics, what are the everything, all about the things you just talk with talk with your friends. So start your discussion, and start first of all, start Jyoti will start her discussion, and everybody will start again after that. So start. Hello Jyoti. Hello.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, you start.
Yes,
Hey,
ma'am.
how are you? What's going on? Everything you just start. Don't say think that what I shall start now.
But ma'am, my partner.
Start discussion, dear. Start your discussion.
Hello, everyone. How are you? I am all right. What about? Hey, what's up? Good. What are you doing? Actually, I am taking the class of English. Oh, nice. Where is Shikha? Shika, I think Shika is here. Hello, Shika. Hello. Hey, what's up? What's up? All good? Yeah, I'm all right. What about you? Yeah, me too. And what about Jyoti Didi? Yeah, good. Uh, your exam is complete? No. Yeah, my exam is already completed. No. What about Shika? My exam is not completed now. How much exam are left? Holidays? Two. Two exams are left. Oh, that's great. So, what's going on? Nothing. I am taking the class of English. I think, me too. I am also attending the class. And Jyoti Didi? Yeah, what about Jyoti Didi? Same. Are you learning the points? Yeah. What about you and Jyoti Didi? Yeah, I am learning all the points. I want to confirm from you and Jyoti Didi. Are you comfortable with the class? Yeah, of course. Yeah, I also. I want to ask you, is English grammar is important or not? Yeah, this is very important part of English. But I think it is not so important. No, there is because if your conversation is good and English grammar is a part in which will this actually it help to make the sentences and how to learn it and what the verbs and like conjunction preposition are coming in the sentences. But I think English grammar is not so important because if your conversation is good, then English grammar is nothing in your life. You are speaking in English, so about because of English grammar. Because in the English grammar there are tenses and throughout the tenses. Actually my conversation is good. Yeah, but any anytime if we have to put past, present, and future, then we have to do that. Yeah. Many times we put past in the place of present. This is the what problem. About Jyoti Didi? Yeah, she is not speaking. Hello. Hey. What about you, Didi? Are you getting the point? I yeah. I'm listening your thoughts. So I want to ask you your comment about what is your comment about yeah just a question. Just waiting. I'm talking. My according is English grammar is most important because little sentence is clear about other person's talk. You are absolutely right. But when conversation is good, but if your I think your conversation is very good. So, are you getting the point? Yeah. If your conversation is good, then nothing problem in your English grammar. Only it is a type of tenses. Like there is most important thing that is tenses. Yeah, I know your conversation is good, but anytime you can place at the you any time you placed past at the place of present like that. Situations. Yeah. Past, futures. Yeah. You didn't get the points. For that reason, English grammar is most important. Right. And what about the class? What is going on in the class? What you are saying, I don't understand that. What about your class? What is going on in the class? Advanced vocabularies are going on, actually. Are you getting? Yeah, I am getting the point, but it was so boring for me. Yeah. Okay. Group discussion is my favorite point in English. Yeah. Because and there is nothing use of. What about Jyoti Didi? What about you, Didi? Um, my What is favorite is going on? My favorite is listening. Listening? Oh, yeah. Listening? Yes. Actually, your talk and Shika is nice talking. So I'm enjoy this time, and your talking is. You also have to speak. Yeah. Because through the listening you can't understand. Because you Didi, you have not more time for learning and speaking the English. I think you don't have more time. Why not more? But if you do try, if you do your level best and your efforts, then absolutely you get the points of English. And what about English? What about English grammar? What about conversation? What about group discussion? Like this. What are you doing now, Matai? Are you doing advanced vocabulary or update yourself? Grammar structure. What you are doing? Are you for your practice? For your practice. You are asking for what you are doing for your practice? Me? Yeah, you. I am just talking with my brother in English. Oh, good. That's good. Is the main part of learning English. Yeah, I also comfortable with your words. And what did you do? What? I didn't understand. What did you do for learning for better? I do extempore speech and discussion with my parents and my brothers. Oh, this is the same as well. Oh. And what about Didi? Yeah. What about her? Me only class. Other people's not understanding and I'm not comfortable. So that's good. Only you know the English. Yeah. In your contact. That's great. Yeah, that is great. I think you have to speak in extempore speech. Because because it improve yourself and your speaking skills. Did you know how much vocabularies have been done in the class? I think 70, more than 70. I think more than 80 or. Really, more than 70. Almost done. Yeah. I think 15, 16. No, more than 70. 70. Yeah, can you show 70. Me? Yeah, good. Please, my contact. We will send on the group. Okay. I check it. From the group. Well, I think there is 74 or 76, like. Uh, no, there is. I think there is 79. Yeah, same. There is. No problem. 79 or. I didn't count that. At least 80 there is. Less than 80. Are you understanding advanced vocabularies? Yeah, of course. What about Jyoti Didi? Yeah, of course. But do you think the vocabularies are better or advanced vocabularies are better? I think advanced vocabularies are better than vocabularies. Jyoti Didi, what did you think? Same. Same advanced. What about you? Yeah, I also love advanced vocabulary. But it was so boring for me. The vocabularies are boring, not boring, but I don't like that. So it is a type of boring. I just like I I like to make story on the words of vocabularies, advanced vocabularies. I love to make story. And you? I love to make sentences like grammar structures and past tense and future and okay. Present. What about Jyoti Didi? Are they getting our words? Hello, Didi. Yeah, hello, hey, hi. Now you ask the questions. Yeah, now you ask the question and we answer your question. Yeah, we will answer. Our time is already done. Now your time. Uh, Anything you can ask us. If you didn't understand anything, you can ask us. If you want to ask, I don't know. I can't ask. Anything you can ask about the grammar. Yeah, there are many things. We did it. Okay. Your favorite, Sika, your favorite English grammar? My favorite English grammar? Yeah, I like extempore speech and group discussion and Karan, about you? The same. Me too. The same. Likewise. And about you? Yeah. What about you? Me. Same, I think. Sentence making and you story. Like yeah. Story making is my favorite. Yeah. Because through the story we learn the many vocabularies. Yeah. Then yeah, we understand that stories and points is really. Actually, I also listening story when I was sleeping. In English?
हेलो
Yeah, in English or Hindi?
हाँ तुम्हें दिया है मैंने
You see stories. Very nice.
फोटो
When my sleeping time. Hey, you see
किसका
web series rather than stories.
कौन सा
Yeah, I have premium
कौन
of
सा
Netflix. Yeah, you see web
हाँ
series.
हाँ हाँ
You
वो
have?
मुझे व्हाट्सएप में ही
Yeah,
मिला है
I
वो
have.
डायरेक्ट नहीं मिला मुझे
No, but not Netflix. There are Pika show like there.
अच्छा अच्छा
This is an app in the phone. Yeah.
यही है
So I
तुम्हारे
also
पास
have
क्योंकि
Pika
मुझे
show.
तो व्हाट्सएप
Yeah,
में मिला
I
है
see
व्हाट्सएप में
the
मिला
web
था
series in English
ओरिजिनल नहीं है
at
तो
night
ओरिजिनल तो
in
मुझे
the night.
उसने व्हाट्सएप में ही भेजा
Yeah, there are many movie. There are many movie that release
वही तो
just
मैं
a
भेजा
time.
तुमने तुमको
Yeah,
उसको मैंने प्रिंट आउट करा के
many
उसको तुमको
interesting
भेजा
movies are there in Hollywood. Yeah, in Hollywood, Bollywood. Hollywood.